Hi Jessica, it's Ashley. I wanted to get on and give you some feedback on your piece. I know you are noticing that you cannot see me, and that is unfortunately because I dropped my Mac on Wednesday and everything's working perfectly except for the webcam. So I took it to an IT place here in my town, and they were not able to fix it today, so I'm actually taking it to Lexington to Apple tomorrow to see what I'm gonna need to do. Like I said, everything is working perfectly except for my webcam, so it is really gonna be a bummer if I don't know what they're gonna say, but we shall see what the future holds for me and my computer. Thank you for your feedback on my piece. It always helps me so much whenever I get on and see the feedback and see what I can make changes on and what went well and what needed to be changed. So I really appreciate your feedback on my piece. I read through your author's agenda, and like you, dialogue is such a struggle for me, and I want to address your dialogue throughout your piece. I really love how throughout your piece I just kind of felt like you gave just enough detail so that I could feel like I, was there and was going through this lesson with you, and you provided enough dialogue for me to be able to, see glimpses of their personalities and working in kindergarten, I just loved reading kind of some of the things they were saying, like with a pencil, duh. That's just so funny. And I can just see his little personality shining through right there. I love throughout this, like I said, how you gave dialogue and just kind of how it helped the flow of the piece because I can see, how it was going, what they were feeling, how they were feeling about it. Planning is boring cracked me up right here because that's just how they think. They say what they think, and that's one thing I love about small children. I love at the end where you reflected on the lesson because, like you said in my feedback on my piece, like the whole point of teaching is so that we can reflect on how to be better and what things went well and what things needed to be changed and what types of things we can do next time. And I just really love how you reflected here and said you're thrilled that you had the opportunity to work with your children and your nephew. I love reading the pieces that my children create. I too love reading things that the kids in my classroom create, and it's really important to help them understand that planning is an integral part of writing, and they're going to have to, do that for the rest of their educational career. So I just think it's a great thing that you reflected on your teaching, and your little mini lesson went really well, and I just think you did a really, really great job. And I want to address your dialogue because that was in your author's agenda. I think you gave just enough so that we can see their cute little personality shining through and just kind of what was being said, and I wouldn't take anything out, and I wouldn't change anything about this piece. I think it was really well organized. It flowed really well. The dialogue was perfect, and at the end you reflected on your lesson, and I think it was just a really, really great job. Hope you're having a great weekend. Hopefully next week my computer will be fixed and my webcam will be fine, and I'll be back in full force. Have a great weekend. Bye.